welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy if you're new here, and today we have a ginormous thrift haul. So I went to Basildon, which is one of my favourite places to shop. If you are in kind of the Essex area and love thrifting and also love a bargain, then definitely check out Basildon. There's quite a few stores there. It's everything £2, everything £3, and then the ones that aren't like that tend to have lots of sort of like 50% of women's trousers or anything like that. So it's a really good place to thrift. But without further ado, let's get into the thrift haul. So I'm going to just pick things out in kind of no particular order because it is quite a lot. So the first thing was originally from Pretty Little Thing. It's in a size 16. It was £2 from Haven's Hospice, and it's actually still got kind of the, not the full tag from Pretty Little Thing, but still a little bit. And this is just a gorgeous bodysuit with kind of mesh sleeves. Now, I mainly brought this, I really like the shape, kind of the silhouetting on the actual bodysuit. I'm not so sure on the mesh sleeves, but I definitely think it's one I'm going to try on and love. I'm thinking this was just a simple pair of jeans. It'd be quite a nice put together look. But yeah, so I've got this one. Here is the bodysuit. I think this is super cute, although I'm kind of getting minor pirate vibes, and now I've thought of that, I can't unsee that it looks a bit piratey. But I do really like it. I definitely would need a back bra, as you can kind of see my bra straps kind of shoving through, or to be fair, maybe even a strapless bra, because if I haven't done it up, if I pull it down to where it wants to naturally sit, you can kind of see my bra in it. So it may be a no bra, it may be a strapless bra in this one, just because then I feel like it will look a bit more flawless kind of with the mesh sleeves. I do really like it. It's really cute. It's actually super comfortable, whereas it's really stretchy, but I do feel like it kind of is tight enough. It kind of sucks you in a little bit and kind of snatches you down. I just think it's super fun. A nice easy one that I can chuck on jeans and know kind of set for like a night out, like drinks and things like that. So I think it's super fun. I'm excited to wear this when I kind of am going out a little bit more. And I think it's super fun, super easy. I feel like with just some nice trousers, this is set and a perfect little outfit. Then I picked up from Scope. This is an Adidas sort of top. It's in a size 14, and this was £4.50. And just to put into perspective, this was the most expensive thing I brought that whole trip. So this is the top. It's kind of like a cute kind of baby tee kind of style top. It's got a kind of crossover here. I think it's going to be quite tight, but I think it will look quite cute. I love the baby blue colour. I love the white detailing on it. And I just think this would be super cute. Now I keep on saying this would be cute with like white shorts or white skirt. I don't actually own white shorts or a white skirt, but definitely think a lot of these things would pair quite nicely with it. But I just thought this was super cute, and I thought this would be a fun one to style. I think this is very Pinterest, very Instagram. I've seen this sort of thing all over. So I thought this was super cute, and I thought I couldn't pass that up for £4.50. Here is the Adidas top. Now, I love this. I really don't feel cool enough to pull this off. I think this with definitely something white will look cute. I feel like it would tie in with kind of the white vibes on here. So I'm thinking this with white will look cute. I instantly picture this with like a tennis skirt. I've tried a tennis skirt before and didn't think it suited me, but I definitely think I might have to go and try it and get a tennis skirt. I feel like I feel a bit more comfortable in that. And I feel like that would look so cute with this. I feel like I've got that picture in my brain. This is the perfect top for it. And it is gorgeous. I don't think it pairs super well with denim, and I feel like that's kind of my go-to pairing things with. But I do love it. I do love the shape of it. I feel like it's super sporty and just a bit out of my comfort zone, but I really like that. Yeah, it's definitely something a bit different for me. I tend to go for more like girly dresses and things like that rather than like sporty wear. But I do think this is like a super cute way to do sportswear. I think I need to find the right thing to pair it with. Then from British Heart Foundation, which originally is from Primark, I'm sure, in a size 18 to 20 for £3.49 is this gorgeous kind of Disney nightie. And I thought this was super cute. I thought this is a nice one just to throw on. It's nice and cool. I'm hoping to get to Disney at some point this year. It might literally be right by the end. But I do really want to go to Disney this year, if not next year. And I thought this would be a cute one to take to Disney with me, but also just a nice one to throw on. I'm thinking once you fake tan, this would be a good one to throw on. This is going to be baggy. And I just thought this was fun and cute. And I thought for £3.50, can't really go wrong with that. Here is the Disney nightie. I actually love this. Why do I actually think this is quite a vibe? I haven't worn a t-shirt dress in so long. Obviously, I know this is a nightie, but I do kind of love it. And if I was going to Disney in the summer and it was hot, this with some cycling shorts would be an amazing outfit. But yeah, I think it's super cute. It's not too much to say about it. I actually really like the fit of it, and 18 to 20 is definitely like a good size for me to feel comfortable. Not too big, not too small. And I just think this is so fun, it's so cute, and I mean it's Disney, so what's not to like. Then for £2 from Cancer Research, it's originally from M&Co and it's in the size 14. It's just this yellow kind of square neckline top. Basically the neckline really drew me to this. I love sort of a square neckline. I think they're really flattering, and I also love the colour yellow. I reckon I might put a patch on this as well. There is a thrift flip video coming. I just want to get a couple more pieces together before I do it. But there is already one that you would have seen in a couple of hauls ago, a yellow top that I wanted to put a patch on. And I'm thinking I might get another one and put one on here, depending on how the neckline looks. But I just thought this is super cute, and for £2, I thought this is a good basic to have in my wardrobe. So this is kind of the basic yellow top. Not too much to say about it. I really love the shape. I think it's very, very flattering. I feel a bit like it's a bit of a retro neckline, and I quite like that kind of retro style. The colour is nice. I'd say I'd like it if it was a bit more pastel rather than like kind of really bright yellow. But I think maybe with a patch on, or maybe just left how it is, maybe paired with something like a very, very neutral kind of lighter colours to kind of dull it down. I wouldn't pair any more colour with this. I think sort of just jeans is fine. But yeah, I think it's super cute. It's a nice basic. Not my favourite, but it is a lovely basic, and I definitely will be reaching for it. This is definitely a major wildcard item. So this was £3. It was from Cancer Research. I don't know the original brand. And it's just this kind of silk dressing gown sort of thing. It has got the dressing gown loops, but not the cord. I was thinking this would be quite a cute beach cover up, or like something to put on over your swimming costume. Now, I think it is kind of borderline whether I can get away with that. I'm going to try it on with some denim shorts and see if I can kind of style it that way. It's also got these massive shoulder pads, which are literally huge. So I'm potentially going to take them out, as I think that might just kind of make it look a little bit more floaty. But yeah, this is definitely a wildcard item, and something if it was a bit more expensive I wouldn't have purchased. But for £3, I feel like I want to try and make this work. I'm even tempted, if it's like too long, to maybe crop it a little bit, or even just shorten the sleeves. But I just think this is fun, and I thought I probably could style this, and if not I will just wear it kind of as a dressing gown on holiday. So I picked up that. So here is the silk dressing gown, and I actually think this works. I think my vision has pulled off. So the shoulder pads are going to have to go more or less instantly. I'm literally going to take them out as soon as I finish this video. But I do think this with some denim shorts. Obviously I haven't actually got a white bikini top. Imagining it with a white bikini top, some denim shorts, and I feel like this on holiday in the evenings when you want to put something on your shoulders and just feel a little bit more kind of put together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim off the kind of dressing gown loops, take out the shoulder pads, and kind of style this in kind of more a beachy way. I'm thinking with a nice hat, with a nice bag, and I actually fully think I can get away with this, and I really like it. The silky fabric means it's super lightweight and super kind of not too heavy, not too hot, and I actually think I can fully make this work, and I'm glad I stuck with my vision. I'm imagining me with super tan skin, some body glow, in the sunset, in Lanzarote, and I think it's going to be super cute. So I actually really like this, and I'm glad I picked it up. This, I think, would be my favourite item of the haul. I literally did a little scream when I saw this. So it was in the men's section, but it's actually a Walt Disney World kids top. It was £2. It's in an extra large, but obviously it's kids. And it's just this gorgeous vintage Disney top. Now, if you've been here for a while, you'll know I love Disney so much. And vintage Disney tops are like my thing. If I can find them anywhere, in vintage shops, on Depop, I love them. And I just thought for £2, this is amazing. So I'm gonna kind of bring it in close as you can see. But it's got kind of a dragon kind of outline of a Mickey. Now, we were trying to work out what dragon this would be, because it looks a bit Mulan-y, like the vibe of the top. Obviously Mushu doesn't look like that. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. I'm sure it's completely obvious and I'm just missing it. But it just says Walt Disney World on it. As I said, it's a kid's t-shirt, so I think it'd be quite tight on me, but I think I can kind of make it work. I'm thinking with some jeans, this will be cute. And I was just so happy I saw this. If it really doesn't fit, I'll either probably give it to my sister or sell it on Depop if it doesn't fit. Because vintage Disney t-shirts do sell, and considering this was £2, I was so happy when I saw this. So always check out the men's section. If you're small enough, check out the kids section as well, because like the extra large in kids may fit you. This is something I'm so happy about, and that's one of the main reasons I love thrifting, is you can find real gems like that. And considering I pay like 20 quid to buy vintage Disney t-shirts on Depop and on vintage sellers, that's amazing that I've got that for £2. So definitely check out all your charity shops, and check out every rail, as I always say, because you never know what gems you're going to find in the section that maybe isn't kind of catered to you. here is the Disney t-shirt. I'm so happy this fits, and I actually do have a little bit of room in it. What I've done is I've actually folded up the sleeves, because if I take them out so you can see, they are kind of like awkwardly baggy but tight and awkward length, and I think if I wore this I'd kind of lean into the fact that it's quite tight, kind of like a baby tee, kind of that style. I think I'd prefer to kind of lean into that and have it a bit tighter rather than just all round a bit loose. But yeah, I love this. It's a vintage Disney t-shirt. I'm always going to be happy with it. I think it's a super easy one to throw on with anything denim, a nice rucksack, some Disney ears, and you're ready to go. And I'm just super happy with this, and I can't believe I found it for £2 in the charity shop. Again, from Cancer Research, for £3, I got this dress. Now, this is very diner-esque. Like, I can imagine myself working in a diner wearing this dress. This was £3. It's from a brand called Classics. And yeah, it's just this kind of, it's quite see-through actually. Now I'm holding it up and I can see it, but I don't know if that's just because of the light. We'll see when I try it on. But it's this gorgeous kind of blue with polka dots. It kind of, I'm trying to describe the shape. It goes like that, but it's not a very strong shape. I just think it's quite cute. It's got a nice collar, it's got little sleeves, and I just thought this was so cute. It is, as I say, giving me major diner vibes. I'm imagining eating in a next diner in Disneyland wearing this, and I just want that to happen so bad. But yeah, I picked this up, I thought I'd try it. It was one of them ones that I think my mum wasn't too sure on, so we'll see when I get it on. But I think this is a very vintage kind of looking piece, and I'm quite excited to style that. So this is the dress. I actually love this. It's such a gorgeous silhouette. Now, as you can see, it's not like super tight on my stomach, which is good if I'm feeling a little bit bloated like I am today, but I feel like it's just a gorgeous kind of, it hugs my hips and my curves in the perfect place. It looks very modest, but very put together, and I love this. I definitely think it's quite dressy. I don't think I could wear this on like a day-to-day basis like I do with all my other summer dresses. Let me know if you think different, but personally to me this feels quite dressy, and I'm just in love with this silhouette. I think it's really classy. It looks very vintage, which I like, but I don't think it's too vintage that you can't kind of get away with it in a normal day-to-day life. I don't think it really looks like a fancy dress. I think it just looks really lovely, and I'm just obsessed with the way it fits. It's gorgeous. It's a little bit snug kind of on my arms and on my chest. I don't actually think it's snug. I think it's just where it's hot, so it's making me think it feels more snug. But I love this, and I can just tell I definitely feel very confident in this, which I love. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this, and I'm really glad I picked this one. I then got 3 scarves, which I'm going to show you kind of all together. I believe it was 3 for 2, so they cost me £2 for all these scarves. And to be fair, I think this one I would definitely probably make into a scarf top. It's this gorgeous satin kind of scarf. It's got a ridiculous amount of material, so I think it might even be one that I kind of have to fold quite a lot to get into a scarf top. But I've definitely got to research different ways to tie it, because with this much material I definitely think I can tie it in a different way that's not kind of just tied around me. So I picked up that one, and it's so super soft. Here is the scarf top. I'm actually so happy with this. It looks gorgeous. Obviously I've kept my bra on at the moment. Obviously I wouldn't do that if I was wearing it out. What I do is I normally wear a strapless bra with these, and I'll tie the scarf around the bra, just so I feel super secure. Obviously I'm a bit bigger chested, so going out with no bra on in a scarf top probably isn't a wise decision. So yeah, I just think it's super cute. I think it looks nice with some white trousers. Obviously these ones are a little bit see-through, but with a nice pair of actual white trousers, these would be really cute. I love the colour on this. I love the pattern. I'm really happy with it. I then picked up this one, which is quite a fun, like funky, a bit kind of retro-y, purple and blue kind of flowers, and this is a sort of top I would wear in my hair kind of as a little headscarf, and I think that looks super cute. So yeah, I picked up that one, and then finally in the scarf section I picked up this one, which I just fell in love with the gorgeous like rich colours on this. Like the jewel tones are just gorgeous. I think this is definitely a scarf top that can see me into autumn winter with the colours. Obviously it would be cold, but for like a party or anything, I think these gorgeous like rich tones would be gorgeous in kind of the autumn weather as well as the summer. Again, this is definitely something I would probably wear as a scarf top, and I just think this is super fun. I think you could pair this with black quite nicely, and I think that would work, but equally with white. And I just thought that was super cute. So always check the scarf section, because you never know what scarf tops you can make with them. It is the other kind of colourway of the scarf top. I really love this. I think they're so timeless, so classy. I think they look really put together. They're really easy. They're something a little bit different. Do not pay £20, £25 on Pretty Little Thing or any fast fashion website for a scarf top when you literally can get one for £1 in the charity shops. Like, this is all they sell. There's so many different scarves normally in a bucket for all 50p, all for £1, and you can get such lovely patterns, a bit more unusual, and you can literally just tie them. Obviously it depends. That other scarf top was quite a lot bigger. It meant I have a bit more room, so if you're a bit more bigger chested or just want a little bit more coverage, you can kind of fold them and tie them however you want to get more or less coverage. This one's a little bit smaller, so I've had to tie it a little bit tighter, but yeah, it's such a good way of kind of making two uses out of things, and I just love it a lot. For £2.50 from Cancer Research, I picked up these sunglasses. They're new with tags, as you can see. I'm going to try them on for you now, and I just thought this is like proper cool Instagrammable sunglasses. Now I wanted some cute Instagram kind of glasses. I love this sort of shape, and I did have some before and I'm not quite sure where they've gone. So I thought these are super cute. I like kind of how they're kind of see-through and kind of a grey, because it would go with like most things I wear. And I just think this would be a fun thing if I want to kind of spice up an outfit, make it look a bit more edgy. I think these will work so well, and I'm super happy I found them. For £2 from St Havens Hospice, I got these gorgeous kind of white flared kind of wide leg trousers. Now these are definitely very see-through. These are more like a beach cover-up trouser. These are in a size 18, so they might be slightly big, but the drawstring is real. I tested it out in the shop and was very happy when I found out it was real. But I just thought these would be cute to chuck over a bikini, sort of on days I want to cover up a little bit, maybe going to the beach. And I just thought this would be super fun, and I really want to find a nice, good quality pair of wide leg trousers. But I thought these ones would be good for the beach, and yeah, just for like day-to-day lounging when it's sunny. Are the white trousers. Now, as I expected, they are quite see-through, not too bad, like a little bit better than I thought they were going to be, but they are a bit see-through. However, they do fit lovely. They're super comfortable, so I definitely think these are one of the ones I take on holiday, as I said, to throw on over a bikini. I just think they're super fun. Also, when I'm kind of in the garden, when it's hot, and I can kind of put these on over my bikini, as I say again. I think these are super fun. I don't think I would wear them in kind of day-to-day life, just because they are that tiniest bit too see-through for me, but maybe with a nice bodysuit, I feel comfortable in them, maybe. But for £2, you literally can't go wrong. They're super comfortable, super floaty, and I'm really happy with them. From Cancer Research for £2, this is by a brand called Glitz, and it's just this kind of very unusual style blouse. So I feel like the actual general shape of it is a bit like a nan blouse. I'm kind of getting that vibe. However, it's just kind of a tie in the front, and it's this gorgeous kind of mesh material with these sort of pinky flowers on there that are kind of in a shinier material. It's really hard to describe because I think it's something so unusual that I haven't really seen before. And I just think this is gorgeous. I'm thinking of styling this with my black kind of flared trousers and a kind of nice black bralette underneath, or even just a black bra. And I think I can make this work. I think these sort of things are super unusual and super funky, and I feel like these are the things I love finding thrifting, because you can kind of style them up in a bit different way, and I feel like you can look really put together but wear something completely different to what everyone else is wearing. So we've hit not our first miss, because it isn't a miss, but our first kind of little bump in the road in this haul. This top naturally ties here, which obviously is not appropriate. I'm thinking I could wear this with a black bodysuit underneath and this on top as kind of like a little extra shirt, or simply if I just put a pin in it here, just sort of kind of hold it together. Then it does kind of sit as a nice kind of peplum style blouse. I do really like it. It's just definitely one that I have to play around with a little bit more. It's not the sort of thing I'd put on and instantly love. It's one I've got to kind of work with, how I'd wear it, how I'd style it. But I do think just with some simple shorts, it does look really cute. I think with a pin in it, so I feel a lot more secure, I think this will work really well. Then finally, from Scope for £4, it's in a size medium, I got this gorgeous kind of knitted vest top. Now this is literally the softest thing ever. I felt it and was like, I need that. Like, I liked the colour, I liked the shape, I liked the design, but then when I felt the actual material of it, it just feels such good quality. There is also kind of these lots of little details, like the little stitching there is gorgeous, and it seems like every stitch is in the right place, and I love that. The material on it is lovely. I love the pattern. I think it's kind of golf vibes. I don't know, I'm loving the golf vibes at the moment, but I thought this would be cute with jeans, with shorts, and just a nice kind of easy everyday outfit. And I just thought this was super fun, and I'm excited to try this one. Here is kind of my golf vibes top. I really like this. It's super simple, super basic, but I think it's really cute. It's a nice everyday top. I feel like I can chuck this on and be ready to go. I think it looks nice with jeans, which is good. So yeah, I really like this one a lot. Not too much to say about it. It's super comfortable, lovely fabric, and just a nice basic everyday top. So that's everything I got from today's haul. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what your favourite piece was, and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!